Okay guys, today is still February 22nd. I'm still knocking out some videos for you guys. This is parts that I got from Tony Gunn from the B15 Sentra community. Tony, thank you. I appreciate it. And I hope you guys can see me in this view. But let's go ahead and see what all I got from him. If you guys remember, I sold my intake manifold. There goes the lower intake manifold. There it is. Alright. Set this over here. Hopefully you guys enjoy the snow behind me. Treadstone intercooler. Because remember, I do plan on turboing it still. And let's see. The upper oil pan. There it is. This was one of the last pieces that I need for the Sentra to get put back together. I'm just waiting for the cams to get here, stock cams. I was hoping they'll get here today, but just know cams are on their way. As soon as I get that, they are all going to my buddy put the motor together. The lower gasket for the intake manifold, and Tony helped me out a lot. He got me all the good stuff. Treadstone turbo manifold. There it is. So, Tony came in clutch. I did sell Tony my nice intake manifold. So he's got that, and hooked me up with all these other parts. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. The Hks Blow valve, intercooler piping. Turbo drain line, got that as well from him. All the clamps, and I forgot what they're called, but they're all in there. For the intercooler piping, the downpipe. I forgot I got a lot of this stuff from, I don't know why. The other half of the intake manifold. I'm sure I got to go through this and modify it and make some changes like my last one was a little bit. But if you guys didn't see the video of my intake manifold that I had, go look it up. It's on my YouTube channel. It was sweet. But for now, I'm going to roll with the stock one. Intercooler piping. I think he said that it's powder coated. It's powder coated black. Pretty sure that's the material that's on it. Another piece. Intercooler piping. Intercooler piping. This one was a little beat up. I might get that fixed. Or at least make sure it holds some pressure. He said it's got a pretty nasty dent in it, but it's still good, so should still be good. And the screamer pipe. Looks like he scraped it on something, but it doesn't matter. That's it, guys. So a lot of turbo parts for the Sentra. I'm not going to say what turbo I'm going to run yet. I do have one in mind. It'll be smaller than the Garrett 35R that I had. Remember, I wanted to run less boost, less power, nothing crazy. I wanted this car to last a while, but that's everything, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Sentra's coming back. Just waiting on the cams, and I could get the motor to my friend to put it back together. But I'm excited, guys. I got all the turbo parts except for the oil feed, I believe, wastegate, and that's it. This downpipe, it should bolt up to my current exhaust. Should. Because I'm pretty sure my Sentra had the Treadstone downpipe also. But thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, share the video. But the Sentra is going to be back, and it's going to be fun. Thank you, guys.